Hello, my friends. My name is Andrea, and today I would like to announce a new partnership with BingX, a leading cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2018 with over 10 million users worldwide, a very reliable platform with 100% user asset protection, 100% proof of reserves, and 30 security audit, which is passed. We do have trading for hundreds of pairs available in spot derivative markets, copy trading, and asset management is offered. If you choose to register through my link that you can see below, you will get 15% rebate in the commission fees with no minimum requirement for the amount of your deposit. And you will be informed about special events that I will organize in the future. So stay tuned for that. And in order to keep yourself updated with all these, follow me on X, Twitter, on YouTube, and join also my Telegram channel. Hope to see you there. And until then, happy trading.